For over 30 years, BRS has been proud to provide the very best service in the industry. We understand that you want the perfect blend of quality and efficiency, whilst at the same time ensuring installation causes minimal disruption. At BRS, we don't believe in downtime. BRS provides you with complete peace of mind. Our bespoke, all-encompassing support package comprises of 24/7 support anywhere in the UK, a dedicated phone line for priority service calls, individual client login, priority response service for emergency situations, and a real-time diagnostics system. With access to the latest industry developments and products, BRS ensure that your business is always one step ahead of your competition. Should a process become available that is more efficient or more reliable, BRS will upgrade your existing system if beneficial. Likewise, our support package can be scalable. With site expansion or product diversification comes change. We understand that your needs and priorities alter over time, and you require a partner to grow with you. We provide the experience and support to help drive your business forward, rather than hold you back. So, as you see, regardless of your size, location or industry, BRS have the solution for your requirements. Why not inquire today and arrange a free consultation?